Wood in school. Wood can be used in schools in many ways, from building construction to classroom furniture and educational materials. Here are some common uses of wood in schools. Building construction. Wood is a versatile and sustainable building material that is commonly used in schools for framing, flooring, and walls. It provides good insulation and is energy efficient, which helps schools save on heating and cooling costs. Classroom furniture. Wood is often used to make desks, chairs, bookshelves, and other classroom furniture. It is durable, easy to clean, and has a natural aesthetic that can enhance the learning environment. Educational materials. Wood is also used to make educational materials such as blocks, puzzles, and toys. These materials can help young children develop their fine motor skills, spatial reasoning, and problem-solving abilities. Art projects. Wood can be used in art classes to create sculptures, models, and other three-dimensional artworks. It is a versatile material that can be shaped, carved, and painted in many different ways. Overall, wood is a valuable resource in schools that can be used in many different ways to enhance the learning environment and promote sustainability. How much wood do you need for a school desk and a school chair? The amount of wood required for a school desk and chair can vary depending on several factors, such as the design, dimensions, and type of wood used. Generally speaking, a standard school desk may require about 5 to 8 board feet of wood, while a school chair may require 3 to 5 board feet of wood. However, these are just rough estimates, and the actual amount of wood required will depend on the specific design and dimensions of the desk and chair. It's also worth noting that there are many different types of wood that can be used for building furniture, and the amount of wood required may vary depending on the type of wood selected. Some common types of wood used for school desks and chairs include oak, maple, and birch. Ultimately, to determine the exact amount of wood needed for a school desk and chair, it's best to consult a professional furniture builder or carpenter who can provide more specific guidance based on the desired design and specifications.